Hello everyone! Today we're going to discuss butt hair. I had a question on one of my Don't Shave Your Double-Coated Dog videos, and it was asking about what do you do with the dog's butt hair if you can't shave down the dog? Well, there's an easy explanation for that, and that is groom your dog. Very simple. I'm going to show you how to groom butt hair today. Ira's butt hair is very thick right now. And usually on double-coated dogs, the butt hair is the most thick hair on the body. Okay, I mean it does happen all over, but for some reason the butt is where the hair is gets most matted. Stand up. Good boy. So right here around the tail area on both sides, and usually some on the thigh as well. It's pretty thick. Give you this. Yeah. All right, so the main thing is what I do when I start grooming is I just start brushing out the hair, just like this. Now, if your dog is comfortable being groomed, that's great. If not, it's very simple to be able to teach your dog to be groomed in increments, very slowly. So you want to just start out real slow. Good boy. And just do a little bit at a time, feeding the dog rewards. I have a whole playlist on teaching your dog to love grooming. I'll put it in the description. So here you can see I'm just doing the top and there's a whole pile of hair coming off, right? So this kind of gets your dog used to the grooming. What are you doing, Jojo? All right. He'll probably sit down as soon as I move my hand, but that's fine. I can still show you how to do this. So what you do is you have your slicker brush and you want to be able to hold the hair up like this. You might need a helper. If your dog won't stand up, you could get someone to just put their hand right under the belly here, and that usually helps. Or you can just have your dog lie on the floor. That works too. So what I do is I start at the bottom where the hair is, holding it up, and I brush up like that. So you're just brushing from the bottom to the top. Okay, you can probably still see it from here. Just lifting the hair with one part of my hand and brushing up, and it's pulling the undercoat out. Okay, just like that. Ira, up. Good boy. Right here was really thick. Now, I'll show you how you can check to see if you're getting it done. You need a comb, and you take the comb and you try to get it through the hair, just gently. You don't want to try to rip it through. If the comb gets stuck in any place, you know there's still hair that has to come out there. Okay? So right about there, it's not too bad. It's going through. We're getting it. We're getting it. A little bit in here. Oh yeah, I can feel it with my hand. There's a mat starting there. Now when you're brushing with the slicker brush, you don't flick it up like this, right? You just use your shoulder and move the brush, okay? That'll prevent the brush from scraping the skin underneath. You want to always make sure the brush head is flat like this, okay? And if you can, the dog stands, or if he's lying down, lift the hair and pull it out like that.
You just want to sit down, don't you? Good boy.
There. See, I got quite a bit out. Yeah, I did. You want some more? Okay. Up. Up. There. Good boy. All right, I'll just keep going a little bit more here. There we go. Okay, so that's basically how you get the hair off the dog's butt. Now, you don't need to shave your dog down for any reason, unless the dog is fully matted and because it's been neglected, or if there's something wrong with the hair. You know, there's certain emergency reasons that you might need to shave a coat down. But in a normal, healthy dog, in normal situation, you don't need to do that. what you need to do is learn how to properly brush your dog. And not only does that keep the dog's coat healthy, it actually helps to create a bond between you and the dog. Okay? You're actually spending time with your dog, training your dog to accept grooming, and learning how to groom yourself. So that is a way to make a connection with your dog. Okay? So there you have it. That's basically all there is to it. Are you okay there? Are you choking yourself? All right. Good luck on that, and we'll talk to you guys later. Have fun grooming. I'm gonna lie down in it. Okay, you do that. And I'll just keep rolling the film. Well, this is easier. Wow, this is really good.